Hi, I'm Jared Diaz. I'm graduating from Lyman High School, and I will be attending Stanford University in the fall for engineering. They were talking about like magnet schools, and I was like, MILWI, it sounds interesting because of engineering, and I knew they had a robotics program, so I was like, yes, this is what I'm going to do. I realized that I did not like robotics anymore. Like, I can code when it comes down to it, but like it wasn't something that I just loved. But I found something else. I took a green architecture class, and I just loved like the idea of like making buildings and just the physics behind that. And once I was at Lyman, I went through the engineering pathways, and I took civil engineering and architecture. I got 2 certifications here at Lyman. I got my certification in Autodesk Inventor and my certification in Autodesk Revit. So both CAD programs that are heavily used in the industry. I had no intention of getting an AA degree when I started here. I actually spoke to the guidance counselor. I had more than 60 credits related. I wasn't even trying to accumulate that. Just based on like the opportunities that were presented to me, I just said yes. Yeah, I'll take that. Yeah, I'll take that. I didn't have to pay anything. All of the credits were either from the engineering classes here at Lyman, dual enrollment classes that SCPS paid for me on my own time, or the AP credits. But what pulled me to Stanford is the school spirit, because I felt like when I went to Stanford, all the students were like involved, like either in the band or like in the football team or like in something, and everybody went to the game, and there were a lot of social events, and it was very like communal. And that was a huge reason why I picked it, in addition to like the perfect engineering program that it has, and the vast like variety of resources and undergraduate research opportunities that it can provide. So I think I want to go into law school after pursuing an engineering degree, and then after law school I want to enter like with like a law firm, either doing like something like patent law or environmental law, or just like something else like some sort of law on the engineering side of things.